Bonjour traders, how are you? Welcome back to Simply Forex. Today is Wednesday, the 22nd of November, just in case you don't know what day of the week it is. And as always, guys, we're going to look back at yesterday's trades or lack of. We're going to look at today's potential trades, and we're going to look at the important news for today as well. Let's do this. So guys, these markets are tougher than Rambo and Rocky combined. Yeah, they're tricky conditions at the moment, guys. All right, I keep prattling on about this on my VIP Discord, but they're just tricky conditions. Even when we think we get a nice setup like this, so Aussie dollar, Swiss franc, this was a trade from yesterday, and we were looking to buy it because as soon as we break this high here, we're looking to just, carry this on. We've got a nice bullish candle. This was the trade idea. And then we just have a day of sellers. So this sums up the market, really, guys. We think we're getting a potential trade and there could be a move to the upside. And then sellers come back into the market and sort of stifle the trade, So yeah, this is what's been happening, guys. So can't be helped. We will have weeks like we have weeks like this, guys. Just have to sit on your hands. Yeah, can't be helped. So Aussie dollar, Swiss franc, as I said, we were looking to buy it for those reasons. Yeah, we broke those highs, bullish candle, and the idea was to come back up to here. If we drop down to the H4, it was just. Look at those wicks. Yeah. If ever I've seen some wicks that have told me not to buy something, this is it. Yeah. Look at those wicks. Yeah. You cannot buy that. Yeah. It's just telling you sellers are in control. And then sure enough, it's just been coming lower. It might be at an interesting level now, or if it hits the moving average 20 for potentially buys. But yesterday, just look at those wicks. Yeah, that is unbuyable. And I think that is a word, unbuyable. So, yeah, guys, that just sums up the Aussie dollar Swiss franc. Just didn't have an entry because of that. The next trade idea from yesterday was this. It was Aussie dollar against the Canadian dollar. And it's a similar story, yeah? So if we start with the day chart, I'm zooming out a little bit so you can see we've got a bit of room up to our target here, or even a bit further. We're in an uptrend. You can clearly see that. You don't need to be Warren Buffett to see we are in an uptrend. Okay, so we was in an uptrend. We had a bullish candle. Yeah, and the idea was just to get a retrace and, take price back up to here. And similar story of Aussie dollar, Swiss franc as well. We had a bullish candle followed by a bearish candle. It's just been so stop-start the market. We think, oh, yeah, okay, we got to buy. Oh, no, we haven't. Yeah, we just haven't had a setup, guys. So that was Aussie dollar, Canadian dollar. That was the idea. If we look at the H4, again, these wicks start here. Look at these top wicks. Yeah, they just start here and they don't stop. Yeah, to the point, if you just traded wicks, I'm going to share a strategy actually on the VIP Discord about trading wicks on the H4. It's a good strategy. I will share that on the VIP Discord. But if you just follow these wicks, sell it. Yeah, that would be a trade. Yeah, nothing is telling you to buy that. Look at those wicks. So Aussie dollar, Canadian dollar, no trade. And then the last one was US dollar, Japanese yen from yesterday. And again, if we start with the day chart, yeah, we were looking to sell this because we had broken structure. It was in this little bit of a funk. Yeah, as in James Brown, get down. Funk. Okay. And, we've even broken these lows here. Yes, with this candle that was very bearish, we were clearly in a downtrend. Yeah. And the idea was just to take price back down to this blue line. Again, that, more or less happened, but we just couldn't get into the trade. If we look at the H4, it just started here and then just shot down. It's retracing now. Yeah, so, potentially I may be interested in price here, but then go back to the day chart. Do you want to sell a daily candle like that? Probably not. This daily candle would suggest it might come up higher and then we start selling. So, we shall see. But again, difficult. We think we're off in one direction and then we get a candle like that. Tricky, tricky, tricky. Beastie Boys. Sorry, I'll stop this singing in the morning. So, guys, yeah, those were the trade ideas from yesterday. Tricky markets. Didn't get a setup, as I explained. Let's take a look at today's trades now. Guys, if you enjoy these analysis vids every day, I give you my trade ideas, then come join the channel, guys. Yeah, subscribe to the channel right now. We would love to have you. Smash that notification so you receive an alert every time we post a vid. And if everyone could please smash the like button, it really helps support the channel. And here is many thank yous in different languages. Dangshi, Sipas, Taka, Danki, Teramakasi, Messi, Salama, and Danyawad. Beautiful pronunciation. I'm sure you'll agree. There you go, guys. Thank you in many languages. And thank you for sending in all of this. I have learned something. Smash that like button, guys. Thank you very much. Right, trades for Wednesday, the 22nd of November. Before we get started, guys, let me just mention a few things that we do. So, first of all, we got the free Discord channel. It's free. Come join it. Yeah, we've got traders in there sharing knowledge, ideas. We've got indicators, books, useful links, psychology. We've got loads of cool things in there, guys. So come check it out. The link is in the video description. Next, guys, we do have also the VIP Discord channel. You do have to pay for this, but you get access to me throughout the trading day, as in you can ask me questions about anything to do with trading. I give you my trade ideas as and when they happen. We've got 2 other expert traders sharing their ideas. We give you exclusive content every single week. We've got the Trading Academy, which is full of tutorials that you can learn from. And you get access to a performance coach. And we're test running some strategies as well, guys. So much value in the VIP Discord, guys. Very reasonably priced. Check it out. The link is in the video description. Next, guys, if you would like to read the charts like I do, then drop us a message and we'll send you the details of the mentorship program where I coach you one-on-one. The email is in the video description. Next, guys, if you watch this live stream every day or you watch the analysis vid every day, then you can show your support, guys. Yeah, you can become a Simply Forex YouTube member. We've got supporter and gold membership, loads of perks in both of them. Check them out. Come join us. Come support us. Quickly again, Dungshi, Sipas, Taka, Danki, Teramakasi, Messi, Salama, Danyawad. There you go. We've covered every country in the world. I don't think we have, but yeah, thank you, guys. Right, trades for Wednesday, the 22nd of November. As I said before, guys, these markets are tough. Yeah, tougher than Rocky and Rambo combined. Tough. That's how tough they are at the moment. They're just... Even if we think like we're getting a daily potential trade, we don't get a setup on the lower time frame. So it's tricky, guys. All right. And, to be quite frank, there's not loads of stuff today to look at, but let's take a look at a couple of things. So yen pairs. All right. So if we looked at pound yen on the day chart, that is a beautiful entry. Yeah, back at these lows, bouncing off the moving average 20, we got a nice bullish green candle. That is a bloody good entry, and we could take price back up to here. On the day chart, it just looks wonderful. But, yeah, if we go to the weekly chart, do I want to buy that candle that's closed back into these highs? Yeah, not really. Yeah, I can't really buy that. and that's the same for a lot of yen pairs at the moment. If we look at euro yen, okay, this is less so, but this is coming down to a real interesting level. We're starting to see wicks. We could buy that. This is less of a problem on the weekly chart. But again, this weekly candle still suggests we have a bit of room to the downside. Same with Swiss franc yen. This looks like a really nice setup as well on the day chart. Again, firmly in an uptrend, retraced, bounced off the moving average 20, nice bullish candle to take back up here. But again, weekly candle, that is quite a bearish wick for a weekly candle. Look at that wick. So I really like some of the yen pairs on the day chart, really like, but the weekly candles are just contradicting what I'm seeing. So tricky. Like I said, things are tricky. Yeah, the yen pairs are tricky. I really like the day chart, not the weekly. However, there are a couple of things I am looking at, and they are still trade ideas. And it's a bit of deja vu from yesterday, guys. So if we start with Aussie dollar Swiss franc, so this is my first trade idea. If we start with the day chart, so I'm still confident because we broke these highs. Because we broke these highs here with this bullish candle. I'm still confident that we can take price potentially back up to here. Obviously, I'll need a setup, and the market will need to tell me it's ready to go back up to there. But just looking at daily structure, it would suggest we can come back up to here. All right. I know we have had this bearish candle. Okay, it's not super bearish. It doesn't tell me sellers are in control. It tells me price could retrace, and then we get a nicer value setup. This is what it's telling me. So we're still looking at Aussie dollar Swiss franc for buys today, guys. All right. This is my first trade idea. If we drop down to the H4 now, as I explained yesterday, this was unbuyable. Just look at those wicks. Unbuyable. Sellers are in the house. In the club. 50 Cent, Fiddy to his friends. So we cannot buy that. But once price comes down to potentially here and the moving average 20, you can see this area here is still an area of support. And we see it start bouncing off this moving average 20, and we get a nice bullish H4 reaction, then this could become a buy. So that's what I'd be looking for on the H4, this sort of area with a bullish H4 candle. On the H1, a new, I always say to you guys about the market shows its hand, and it's shown its hand here. It's shown this level through here. So this has become quite pivotal to Aussie dollar Swiss franc. It was once resistance, it becomes support. And now it's become resistance again. So it's become a really important level. So even if we don't get that bullish H4 candle, I will be interested if price breaks this level and therefore breaks these last H1 highs, get a retest, and I'll look to take buys from here as well. Okay. So we'll see how Aussie dollar Swiss franc plays out during the day. And as always, guys, I will if I enter this trade, I will put it in the VIP Discord channel, guys. That's where I put all of my trades. So Aussie dollar Swiss franc, that's our first trade idea. And the second one, again, deja vu, guys, Aussie dollar Canadian dollar. If we look at the day chart, we're still in an uptrend. Nothing's changed in that respect. We're still in an uptrend. We had this bullish candle a couple of days ago. Again, I know, we've got this bearish candle. It's not super bearish. Look at the bottom wick, but it's bearish. Okay, so this would suggest maybe we can take price back down to this zone, and then we start buying. Okay, but I'm still interested in buying this back up to this level here. If we drop down to the H4, you can see that grey zone I'm talking about. So price could, come all the way back down to here. Yeah, back to this level. We get a bullish reaction and then we start buying Aussie dollar, Canadian dollar. Or again, there's this, if we go on the H1, the market has shown its hand again. Yeah, price broke down and now it's, holding on to this level. Yeah, this level through here. So again, guys, if price breaks through this level, starts coming above the moving average 20, retraces, tests the moving average 20 and this now support level, we get a bullish reaction and then we can start buying Aussie dollar, Canadian dollar. So there you go, guys. Yeah, they're the only two trade ideas for today. And if you enjoy my trade ideas, guys, then please come join us. Yeah, subscribe to the channel right now. Yeah, we'd love to have you. And if everyone could please smash the like button as well. Also, guys, don't forget all the cool things we do. We've got the free Discord, we've got the VIP Discord, we've got the mentorship program, and we've got the Simply Forex YouTube membership. And don't forget also today, guys, we've got the live stream, 7 a.m. New York EST time. Get your questions ready for me. All right, guys, let's take a look at the news now. So news for Wednesday, the 22nd of November. First piece of news we're interested in, guys, is this 10 o'clock coming out of the UK. We've got the autumn forecast statement. Okay, so whatever's in this statement could really, potentially move any pound pair. So we must be aware of that. And then after that, guys, we've got 2 3-star ratings at 1:30 London GMT. We've got core durable goods and we've got initial jobless claims. All right. So these 2 3-star ratings at the same time could really move the US dollar pairs. And then after that, guys, there's nothing really else that we're interested in. All right. So, guys, yeah, hope you've enjoyed the vid. If you have, please subscribe, like, and share. Please don't forget to join me for the live stream today, 7 a.m. New York EST time. Get your questions ready for me, and I'll see you then, guys. See you later.